welcome to our class Deep Insights. So in previous class we have discussed that what is reasoning, then what is logical reasoning. So today we are discussing and inductive reasoning also. So today we are discussing about what is deductive reasoning and its features. So at first we know that what is deductive reasoning. So deductive reasoning is the process of drawing a conclusion from general to specific. Deductive reasoning is the process of drawing a conclusion from general to specific. So some general cases too we draw specific conclusion. The features of deductive reasoning. It starts with general statements, proposition, premises. It approaches is general to specific. So example कौन गला? Example माध्यम रे हमें features हो कि definition को आवरी बहुत से clarify कर रहा. So come to the example. Example. Premise 1. Premise 1 कौन कहला? All men are mortal. Raju is a man. So Raju is mortal. Conclusion draw हला. एटा होची general premise. All men are mortal. Specific case होची कौन? Raju is a man. तादर conclusion. एक both premise रू conclusion टा कौन draw हला? Raju is mortal. हला ओडिया रे कहले all men are mortal. जनरल केस रे कोन होची जे समस्त मनुष्य मरणशील. राजू इज ए मैन. राजू जने मनीष. ए दिटा प्रेमिस रु कंक्लूजन कोन रहबो? राजू इज मोर्टल. राजू मध्य मरणशील. कोन पैना समस्त होजंती मरणशील. सो जनरल केसेस रु हमें स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन एठी ड्रा करलु in deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning also a mathematical process. आउथरा को डिफाइन कर दवा. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is the process of drawing conclusion from general to specific. So general premise रु हमें specific conclusion को गति करता in deductive reasoning. Then features of deductive reasoning रे कौन देला? It starts with general statement. एटा आरंभ हुए general statement. आकु general statement को अंती proposition कहले तर्क वाक्य.